Hello Internet. On this documentation of my lockpicking hobby, I'm going over my newest additions, and I will be mentioning my immediate and long-term goals for my lockpicking hobby going forward. Starting off with, I've acquired some new locks. First up is a single acquisition, and that is this American Lock Series 1100. It's a 5-pin core lock, which I should be able to get into given some time. My other single acquisition lock is this Best Lock, and I don't know a whole lot about this one. I acquired it used. It's older. It's currently seen some service life. I do have the key for it, but only one of these will work because they're both different. And it is a very stiff lock, so this could prove to be a bit of a challenge. I'm correct, and those of you who watch and comment below, I believe this will be the first sidebar lock I will be tackling. But more than that, I really don't know about that one. Now, my group acquisitions. I have the ABUS 55/40 and the ABUS 54 Ti/40. These are both small locks which have provided difficulty for me in the past. They're ABUS locks, so their quality control is almost certainly better. But they are still 4-pin cores. So once I'm able to get in there with the correct tension wrench and the correct pick, I should be able to open these up. My next group acquisitions are actually built around my immediate and long-term goal. That is the Master Lock 410 Lockout Tagout Lock. I got them in 2 groups, 4 red and 6 blue. These are 6-pin cores with security pins. So I have a total of 10 of them. My immediate goal is to get one of these to open up. Long-term goal is get good enough so that these become a volume practice lock for me. And hopefully I won't turn these into a rattle on my first few attempts, because if you over rotate these during picking, the pins will just pop out and will just be loose in there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and have a nice day.